Welcome back. We are now at the Add Plugin section of our WordPress installation, and we've typed in SES again. And what we're looking for now is the ability for us to send newsletters from our WordPress installation. And there is a plugin that will allow us to do that, and it's called the Newsletter plugin. What we're going to do is we're going to click Install Now. Once we do that, we'll then click Activate. Once we install, we're then going to go to the Settings area. Now, in order to connect Amazon SES, you will need to go to get one of the professional extensions. Of course, the plugin does more than just send newsletters. However, what we're most concerned about is the ability to send through Amazon SES. Now, it also has other integrations such as SendGrid, Mailgun, Mailjet, and other email service providers. Now, what you will basically be able to do with this plugin is you'll be able to leverage the people that you already have as your users or those who become part of your users in being able to email them with a reliable email service. Of course, the plugin will last for 1 year, and then you'll have to repay a maintenance fee of some kind. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.